Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to do it right now, or simply create a new account and then tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And right here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and in order to check the updates we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which we can update, so we can download and install the newest versions. And of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them, but of course you can, for example, pick only one of those apps. So let me pick Google Chrome, simply tap on this square to mark it, and maybe Google Photos. So to finish everything, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that it will immediately apply them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.